Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A dental charting template is a structured tool used by dental professionals to record a patient's oral health in detail. It's the backbone of accurate dental records, capturing everything from cavities and missing teeth to gum health. The process includes both dental and periodontal charting, allowing dentists to assess teeth, gums, and supporting structures. Guided by the dentist, the dental assistant records findings based on the patient's medical and dental history. How to use dental charting template. Step 1. Patient information. Enter the patient's name, birth date, ID, and appointment details. Step 2. Oral examination. Check all teeth in surrounding areas, noting decay, fillings, or gum issues. Step 3. Assign tooth numbers. Mark findings according to the universal numbering system. Each tooth's condition right next to its number. Step 4. Final review. Sign and verify the chart for accuracy and future reference. Here are the benefits of using a dental charting template. Comprehensive records. Track oral health from the first visit onward. Better treatment planning. Identify problems early and plan accurately. Improved patient care. Keep all information at hand for consistent quality care. Streamlined insurance claims. Provide clear, detailed documentation for approval. With a dental charting template, every detail counts, ensuring healthier smiles and better outcomes for every patient. You can learn more about topics like the dental charting template in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.